Hi, everyone. I am looking at the first question from the 2019 FRQ. This is from last year's exam. We're going to just look at parts A and B. Fish enter a lake at a rate modeled by the function e given by e of t equals 20 plus 15 sine pi t over 6. Fish leave the lake at a rate modeled by the function L given by L of t equals 4 plus 2 to the 0.1 t squared power. Both E of t and L of t are measured in fish per hour, and t is measured in hours since midnight being t equals 0. Part A says how many fish enter the lake over the 5-hour period from midnight t equals 0 to 5 a.m. t equals 5. Give your answer to the nearest whole number, not rounded to 3 decimal places as we usually do. If you want to pause the video right now and try to answer this question, go ahead. The fact that they gave us the rate fish are entering, and they are asking us how many total fish enter the lake, means that we're going to need the antiderivative because that would give us the total number of fish. And we know that the derivative brings us back to it being a rate. So your first point on this question comes from if you write the actual integral from 0 to 5, and then the entering function, which is e of t dt. When you type that in your calculator, you would get your answer. And I downloaded this TI-84. They have a free 90-day trial, and it looks like this. And I was able to type in that integral. This would be for anyone who doesn't have a calculator at home right now. And I was able to get my answer, 153.457. Oopsie. Okay, 153.457. Since they only asked to the nearest whole number, I could actually just write, and should actually just write, 153. If we look at the rubric for this question, they give you 1 point for the integral and 1 point for the answer. They also wrote a sentence there, but you don't need to write that sentence. The second part of this question is asking about average value, and I believe that they're taking this off the test. So I'm going to just show this really abbreviated because it's something that you will remember. If you need to boost your confidence because you've forgotten some calculus. So same question stem, and part B just says what's the average number of fish that leave the lake over the 5-hour period from midnight t equals 0 to 5 a.m. t equals 5. And we remember for average value our 1 over b minus a formula and our function. So because we are asked about the fish that are leaving from times 0 to 5, we're going to have 1 over 5 minus 0, 0 to 5, and then the function for the fish leaving is L of t dt. For that one, I'm not going to show you me typing that into the calculator, but you would type that into your calculator and then get your answer. Let's see if I have it here, of 6.059. This one did not ask us to round. So you would write to 3 decimal places, 6.059. And again, they give you a point for the integral and a point for the answer. You don't have to write the sentence. All right, so I'm going to stop there and see what you guys think of this idea.